Well, I just set up playback level, and let's start together working on the record levels. I just unpacked this TC-KA7ES. It's brand new. So let's rewind, fast forward it to some place where we will be doing recording. Okay, hope it will work well. Let's set our generator to 2 volts, 300 hertz. Okay, and let's start recording. So this would be the source. I will make it even. Let's see. So 0 decibel should be -5. Yes, let's make it even. Okay. -5 here, and it's 0 here. Okay, I'm ready to do initial recording. So actually we might start from calibration of the current, consumption current, or it has a little bit different. It has resistors here to adjust it. Okay, so what I will do, I will use this wire to connect it. So let me put you on the stand for now. This would be an interesting part because not everybody doing it. So there is a connector for 3 pins. And just will connect these wires here because one by one, because I don't have the similar connector available. Okay, 2. And 3. Okay. Now using multimeter, switching to 2 volts, connecting black one to the middle connector and red one to the one connector. We see it shows 0 as soon as we enter record mode and start recording. It will show us like 52 millivolts. That's where we need gently adjust. So it will be green one, left channel, to have a minimum readings. Okay, it doesn't change for some reason. Let me see instruction. Or it's let me see. Oh, it was a chicks. Okay, so then we need to use the coils, I believe, and adjust base consumption. Yeah, you see it goes lower and it goes higher again. So let's get 51 millivolt. You see, is the lowest for the left channel, and let's connect to the right channel. Here it shows 53. Let's see if we can do more. 54, 53, 54. So 53 is the minimum, so I will leave it at 53 level. So it's a bit bias consumption adjustment. on the deck. Now, next, we will adjust levels, recording levels. For that, its instruction says put all bias into the middle position. So I'm just putting all of them to the middle position. Okay, done. And now we have to turn on HX Pro. Okay, it's on. And put HX Pro into middle position as well. Okay, done. Now we have 300 Hz, and we will adjust our record level. So it would be the same. I will be switching between tape and source. So let me change position so you would see better. So what I will be doing, here we have levels on the millivoltmeter. It's a source and it's a tape. You see it's now 2 decibel over. So there are 2 ports for bias adjustment, not bias, for levels adjustment. Let's do -5, one channel, -5, other channel. Done. Source, tape. Source, tape. Left channel shows a little bit difference. Okay, just tape indicator, not very precise. Let's use millivoltmeter as a more trusted source. It's just 0.2 decibel difference. Okay, we have recording level. Now we will be going to -20. It should be -25 here. Let's adjust them even. Okay, -25. And now we should be switching bias. Oops, I'm sorry. Between 300 Hz and 10 kilohertz. And you see it's a little bit higher. So just adjust a little bit. Right channel and left channel. Okay, done. So source, tape, source, tape. Almost no difference. And let me see the recording phase. It's okay. These tapes are not ideal, fortunately. Okay, that's we've done for type 2 tape. Now I will be installing the brand new TC-KA7ES Japanese version. So this tape cover has a green D90 on them. A difference that this has screws on the tape. All other versions don't have screws, and those are not such size. Now, I believe it should be metal next. Let's use metal, MA60. And let's do recording of the metal. 300 Hz, source, tape. It's lower. Let's increase level of this tape. Okay, source tape. Okay, now it's okay. And let's do 10 kilohertz. And it's almost there. Right channel should be a little bit decreased. And left channel very little increased. Done. So we have zero difference. Metal tape. And the last one would be the normal tape. Okay, recording 300 Hz first. Source tape. Okay, 300 equal. Shows -20 and 10 kilohertz. That's where we need to adjust. Okay, right channel and left channel. And you see how good phase with this precise TD-KA7ES. It's just ideal. That's what I tell you. It's another one, and they are all work this way. And heads on the tape decks are tuned exactly by precise tapes. So you see between recording and playback azimuth, so there is no difference. Perfect. Now next we should be switching off HX Pro and adjusting HX positions to have it even. Left channel and right channel. Okay, HX on, off, no difference. That's all tuning for this deck. Let's check the calibrator unit. So we know that currently it should work well, and it shows difference, you see. That's where we will be adjust a little bit. So high frequencies. Okay. Down low frequencies. Not low, level. It was just a minor tuning. You see? Now we have ideal levels here. Now switch off calibration and check up. 10 kilohertz, 300 Hz. Okay, a little bit different on the level. Okay, like that. I'd like to adjust the BS a little bit for type 1. Got it. So HX Pro on off doesn't change anything. Let's see. Calibrator unit one more time. Now it says middle. steady still. Perfect. Checking recording one more time. 10 kilohertz, 300 hertz, no difference. Now I'm ready to go through the range and see how well this deck can perform on type 1 tape. So it will be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 kilohertz, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Still recording, no issues. 16, 17, starting. Drop off. 18, yes. 18 we fallen. You see this instability. From what I learned, this is double capacitors, stacked capacitors in Sony do this thing. But it's fine, it's very high frequency.